Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is moving forward in this direction and black's pawn is moving downward in this direction. So guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so the problem is this pawn and it's going to be a queen on the next move, right? So the worst part is we can't play to b5 to stop the pawn because of the king, and we can't go behind the pawn, which means it's going to be very hard to find the first move. So if you play rook to c6, probably you may push your pawn. That doesn't work because black would simply make a queen. Yes, you can just push the pawn and make a discover check, but at the end of the day, black would simply capture your pawn, and this is not going to be a win, right? You are losing. So this move doesn't work. So what else can you try? Well, if we play a king move, any king move, it doesn't really matter. Black would simply get a queen, and we can't even defend our pawn. But at the end of the day, this doesn't matter as well, because black would have a way to just win this game, and even black can simply sacrifice the queen, and this is a draw, right? So we are winning in this position. We can actually win the game. So what is the move? Well, the correct move is rook to b5, sacrificing the rook. So now two things can happen. Well, the first is the obvious king move. Well, the king captures the rook. Well, now actually we can push, and yes, black can get a queen, but we get a queen with check, skewering the king, and we are going to capture the queen behind the king, and we are completely winning, right? So that is the idea. And the second idea, the second variation is if the king moves to b7. In this position as well, we have a way to win this. We are going to simply capture the pawn and win the game. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.